your profile at Google, they refer to it as your Google My Business listing, the GMB listing. As a part of that GMB listing, they've got space for imagery, and they also have space for 2 separate videos. It's the closest thing to a life hack when you want to get your business to rank a little bit higher in listings results that are returned in response to consumer queries, is to load up those 2 available spots that Google gives you in your official business profile. It's really smart to do that with your own video content, because there's always some risk that if you don't, a customer or a consumer will, because those listings accommodate user-generated content also. Fortunately, most users don't know that it exists, but you could have a guest at one of your laundries populate video into your official listing at Google, and it would sit there until you replaced it with video content that you liked. What we know about ranking high in terms of your business listing and the organic listings that you don't pay for, there are a couple of keys to that. One, take advantage of all of the space that Google gives you. They're hungry for your images. They want your virtual tours. They want to make sure that your listing information is actively managed and that your hours are accurate. They're giving you space for 2 30-second videos. I'll show you what that looks like. Right there, right in the listing, they're giving you space to put your best foot forward with up to two pieces of short video content. The limit is about 40 seconds. And for our clients, we'll typically turn in about 37 seconds of video content, 35 seconds of video content. There's space for 2 of those in the photo stack at Google. Google hosts that content for free when it's clicked on. The customer, it plays automatically on the customer's viewing device. And again, I'll send around an example of this. I was prepared to play some of these videos before I realized that GoToMeeting wouldn't easily accommodate it. You should take advantage of both of those video containers that Google is giving you, teeing up for you. I mean, I like to describe all of the free promotional space that Google gives you as sometimes kind of a pain to manage, but it is the modern equivalent of a barrel of ink and a printing press from a couple hundred years ago. And to the extent that Google's giving you space to upload a couple videos, you should take advantage of it. A, they'll get played a lot. B, complete business profiles are a lot likelier to rank high because Google knows that they're engaging to customers. And I like to show this stat. This is a page that came straight from Google. It's their data. Complete listings get on average 7 times more clicks than empty listings. That is partly because Google ranks complete listings much higher. So take advantage of more than just the imagery, the opportunity to respond to reviews, space to describe your business. Load it up with compelling video content, and that will have a lifting effect and make your business a little bit more visible to people who are conducting searches from a mobile phone or a desktop computer. So Google Posts, most of you are probably familiar with the concept of Google Posts. Again, this is a part of the barrel of ink and the printing press that Google at no charge to you tees up if you'll just take advantage of it, or if you'll have somebody take advantage of it and post for you every month or every 8 weeks or every 6 weeks. At the bottom of your listings profiles, there's space for an announcement. And one of the ways that a Google post accommodates an announcement, they let you include pictures. They typically let you include links to events, and they'll always let you include a video that is playable right in the knowledge panel that describes your business. So we encourage you to if you've got decent video content that's attractive and nice looking and warm, Google Posts are another great place to put it. And again, Google doesn't charge you for this. They know that consumers are really engaged by video content, and they want to be responsive to consumers so that they never lose their wide lead in consumer selection for search. I hate to keep talking about Google, but I think that are they the 800-pound gorilla in the room or the 10,000-pound gorilla in the room? They're critically important. They're where about 85% of destination search sites start. And so I'm potentially beating a dead horse on this, but Google is hungry for video content. And if you're wise about the way you tag up and properly SEO your video content, the storytelling that you do in video and the expectation setting or the best foot forward presenting that you do in video is going to rank high when you're searched in business name search results, as it is for 70 and Summer Coin Laundry in Greenville, and oftentimes in category and location search. It's awesome when you Google yourself, or when somebody Googles you by name, or by name and hometown, and you pop up and rank high. It's even better when somebody types in just your business category. Like, they don't know who to call in Windsor, Colorado. They're just looking for a laundromat. Maybe they're traveling, maybe they're camping, maybe they just moved to town. So it's not a name search, it's a category search. Showing up and ranking well in category search results is really the money shot in online search. And video that is SEO'd properly regularly ranks well in general category and location search, and not just business name search results. So again, why is that? It's because video hits all of the buttons for SEO. It's unique content, it's highly engaging content, and when it's published, especially, it's fresh content. So it is the type of content that Google knows consumers are searching for, and so they tend to amplify it and rank it really well in search results.